Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Greenhouse. I hope all of you are good. Today I'm going to show you various beautiful designing ideas for your garden, and here are multiple designs that you can apply to beautify your balcony, porch or yard. Splashes of color break up green, provide variety, contrast, and focal points. Try sowing both annuals and perennial flowers, for example, cosmos, sunflowers, and marigolds. Flowers have an amazing ability to beautify any space. Just pick your favorite color theme. Create a collection of plants with the same flower color for greater impact. Theming an area of your garden by clever use of color is an easy trick to use. My dear friends, I will always try to bring very useful and very beautiful garden ideas. And if you like my video, then please share it with your family members. Designing a beautiful garden involves careful planning, creativity, 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 and harmonious blend of various elements. Here's a detailed guide on how to design a beautiful